subject irrigation engineering, chapter irrigation efficiencies, topic numerical on water use efficiency. So now let us solve a numerical on the topic that we recently studied about the water use efficiency. The numerical says that in an agricultural project, the irrigation water delivered to a farm at the rate of 100 meter cube per second for 2 hours. So that is the delivery rate, okay, of water. The consumptive use of water, so consumptive use is the maximum use of water for the maximum yield, right? Okay. For photosynthesis, so photosynthesis is a process in plants, is found to be 20 mm per day, okay. If the crop is sown in an area of 100 km square, the water use efficiency is how much? So solution, we have to calculate the water use efficiency, which is actually equal to the consumptive use, right? The maximum water used by plants, or the water used by plants, water used by crop divided by water delivered to farm, water delivered to farm, simple, right? Okay. Now what we have to do is that we have to calculate the water used, right? So how much water is used? So 20 mm per day water is used by a single crop, right? And the area is also given to us, that is 100 km square, but the distancing of crops is not given to you. So what we will assume that throughout the you can say particular area, the density of the crop is very high, right? So that the almost the distance between two crops is almost negligible, okay? So we will assume that, okay? Now water used, so water used, so that is 20 mm per day. So 20 mm per day. So a day has 24 hours, so 20 mm in 24 hours. And what about the 2 hours? What will be the consumptive use in 2 hours? Multiplied by 2 hours. And this consumptive use will be in mm, so I will also divide it with 1000 to get it in meters. Now it will be in meters, right? Hours will get cancelled out, right? So this will be meters multiplied the area to get the volume, right? So the area is 100 km square, right? Now 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, into 1000 and into 1000, right? So this is the meter cube. So this will be equal to 2 into 12, that is 24, right? So 0 got cancelled out, or you can say 1000 would cancelled out. Now let me calculate how much it comes out to be. So 20 divided by 12, right, divided by 1000, this was much, right, into, now this is 100 into 1000 into 1000, it is 1,666. So you can see that it is 1,666.67 meter cube of water is being used by the crop for an area of 100 km square, right? Now what is the water delivered to the farm? So water delivered to the farm is 100 meter cube per second at the rate of 100 meter cube per second for 2 hours. So water delivered to the farm, it will be equal to 100 meter cube per second for 2 hours, and 2 hours has 60 minutes and a minute had 60 seconds, right? So 200 into 3600, 200 into 3600, it is 7,20,000, right? So it is 7,20,000 meter cube of water is delivered to the plants, and how much is used? So this much is used, so efficiency will be equal to neta use efficiency will be equal to 1,666.67 divided by 72,000. So 7,20,000 multiplied by 100 to get the efficiency in percent. So divided by 1,666.67, taking inverse of that and multiplied by 100, it comes out to be 23.148, right? So 23.148, so D is the most appropriate answer, right? So I hope that you have understood how to calculate the water use efficiency also. It was a simple numerical. So now let's move forward and discuss other types of efficiencies. Thank you.